Hi good people, what's going on? Today we are at ISETAN, Kuala Lumpur to do some pig huntings. So I was wondering when is a good day to pig huntings. Well, it depends actually. I guess the best day would be the weekend, but the timing would be different. Some places will raise stock in the morning or later at night. The problem with pig hunting in the weekend would be the people. Too many people because it is the only free time you have. Many will bring their families along, but if you like the rush, then it is okay. They got some old stocks of Hot Wheels, selling at 5 ringgit each here. Oh look, regular treasure hunt. Let's go look at the other pigs. I do a lot of my walking during pig hunting. How about you? I started collecting Hot Wheels with my own money since last year. Back then I used my parents' money. Ha ha ha. Actually, my wife made me come to the mall today. Well, she and her sister's family, my sister-in-law and family. That means I come here with a positive thinking. At least I can go do some pig hunting. Oh look, the Mazda Repu. It is not a Datsun 620. Shout out to our favorite YouTuber, Danish. Ha ha ha. How much Hot Wheels do you have in your collection? I have about 2,000 Hot Wheels now. Thanks for watching. I need to get back to my wife and the family now. Please click like and subscribe.
Thank you. Come again.